Hi there guys, I'm Liam, I'm from West Yorkshire, I'm a full-time pest controller. My day-to-day jobs can take me from doing mice right through to deer, and that's also from housework all the way through to agricultural. We do a lot of ratting on waste sites, as you might see on my YouTube. I'm using a lot of the HikMicro products at the moment, as I'm finding them really good for the job that I'm doing and really easy to use. Also, with the apps that they've got now, they are making it a lot easier for recording as footage. I'm using the Alpex 4K. Here's my rifle for tonight, as I'll be shooting in a back garden tonight. We've got an urban fox to deal with. So guys, now you've just seen some of the footage this scope's capable of, let's just go through a few features on it. So the tube on it runs on normal mounts, so these are 30mm tubes on the 4K. You've got your 1000 meter detection on your laser rangefinder and also ballistic calculator built in there. It runs a 50mm objective lens on the front, that's day and night mode. On the back, it's got a sub-circular OLED screen, so that you're getting your best picture out of your 4K that you can get. The buttons on the top have slightly been changed since the old Alpex, making it easier on a night that you can feel them. So you can change from day-night mode, very easy, and put your picture in picture and all the other features on it. It also runs on the 18650 on a dual battery system. So if your battery's running low on a night, it's as simple as taking the cap off, putting a new battery in, and away you go again. So then guys, I took delivery of these last week. These are the HikMicro Habrok. These are the XQ35L MultiSpectral binoculars. So on your right hand side you've got your thermal. On your left you've got your night vision stroke daytime optical. You've got a 1000 meter rangefinder built in them. That's a brilliant feature. Also got in your built-in IR. These will detect up to 1800 meters. I'll put you some footage on in a minute just so that you can see what you've got. It runs on two 18650s. You get about 6 hours on them, but they can be changed out, so you're never gonna get caught short while you're out. They come with a 3-year warranty with them, so that's another good one. Also running OLED again inside, like the 4K on the screen, so you get a nice crisp picture of them. So guys, that's it for this week. It's first time on the night vision show. If you like this footage that you've seen, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. For more information on any of the HIK products, don't forget to go to www.scottcountry.co.uk. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this.